SOLIDWORKS motion studies are graphical simulations of motion for assembly models. And it do not change an assembly model or its properties. They simulate and animate the motion you prescribe for a model. Making animations in the SOLIDWORKS program has various modes to choose from: animation, basic motion and motion analysis. Animation is the making of moving models that we all define by ourselves. Is used to create presentation-worthy animations showing motion without the need to account for mass or gravity. Basic motion step up from animation. This option is used to create animations with approximate simulations of motion that account for mass, collisions, or gravity. Motion analysis is the analysis of all moving parts. The results are calculated by a mechanical system such as speed, acceleration, direction, power, torque, etc. In this session, we use Animation Wizard to create basic animations with rotations and exploded views. In SOLIDWORKS, open a assembly with exploded view created and going to reuse that in my motion study tab. Studies can be chosen from the drop-down. There are controls to lights and camera as well as to the orientation. From Animation Wizard, delete all the existing paths and choose Rotate Model and select Axis with number of rotations with adjustable duration. Created exploded view will be used to create this animation with preferable duration. And repeating the same procedure for collapse. Export the animation to suitable formats with a preview. Animations are used to show how something works by adding motion and enhance the assembly appearance with visual effects. In continuation, we look forward to coming with the brief on basic motion and motion analysis. Stay tuned for more forthcoming videos. Thank you.